What gets me up in the morning is my to-do list for the day. I'm always quite looking forward to just getting that tick next to those boxes. As an engineer in Petrofac, it's very flexible. There's always opportunities for you to move around, and also there's so much for you to learn. Every day I'm learning something new. So I'm currently working on a project to replace all the helideck net on Clare Ridge asset. This has never done before on this asset, and it's something that's get done every 10 years, so there isn't much experience from other people on this. So I'm really excited to carry out this job and get support from other engineers and offshore technicians in order to make sure the job is getting completed in the shortest period of time and safely. I do believe people make Petrofac as the quality of our work is reflected of people who work here.